Guys, another way to make money from Nulllfee.app is by spinning. Once you complete the task which I talked about in the previous videos, go and watch that video about $1,000 per coin, worth of coin on Onos. Go watch that video in the channel. I've talked about how to perform that task. Once you have watched that video and understood how to perform the task, number two, the second way is to click on spin. Okay, go to your account and click on mystery box. So guys, another way to earn from it is to spin. You can see I've gotten +9 nose. Let's open another one. It means that each task you have activated and you have been approved, you'll be given one spin. I've done 10 acts. I've just spin twice. I've done 12 tasks and I was given 12 spin. Now when you click on spin, you'll be given random. You can see I've gotten 10. You just have to spin the available spin, which is a mystery box. Okay, click on the spin. I'm currently spinning on my available bonus. Okay, that's how to spin currently. Okay, you have to wait for some moment. Okay, that's it. You have to wait for some minutes. Okay, for some seconds. Don't just click on it. Okay, I hope you are following. Tax bonus spin, which means the tax I've done have accumulated me 12 spins. So if you do 2 social tax, you'll be given 2 spins. I hope this is self-explanatory. This is Nulllfee.app. Okay, currently on their testnet phase. The TG is expected to be given on August of this year, which means you have 2 months plus approximately 3 months. Okay, to do that, you can see complete tax and earn extra spin. Now we have exhausted our spin. Now let's go to daily box. Each day you will click on the daily box, mystery box. You'll be given 5 none, depends on, you'll be given random coins depending on your activities. So I hope this is self-explanatory. This is part 2 of Nulllfee app, so take note of that. Part 1, I've already made a video. Go watch that out to get understanding about the platform. This one is to earn additional income from spin and mystery box. You have 2 options. One is for tax. The tax you have done, they will give you 1 spin per successful tax you have done on social tax like Twitter and Telegram, so on. The number 2 option is to check in daily in the app. Click on the mystery box daily and click on mystery box. Click on the daily. You have to come next tomorrow. You can see I have 8 hours left to check in to get daily mystery box. I hope this is self-explanatory. The project to this link will be given in the comment section or the description of this video, so you can go and join it as soon as possible. So guys, bye for now. See you on the next update. If you are new to our channel, do want to follow or subscribe to our channel so you can get latest updates from our channel. And most people just watch video, they don't subscribe to the channel. Subscribing to the channel is totally free. You don't have to invest your capital. You are not charged when you subscribe to YouTube channel. You just follow the channel. That's mean of subscribing, so that whenever the owner is creating a content or is creating an educational video, a tutorial guide, you'll be notified about what the creator have created, so you can go and check it out. You know, we made a withdrawal from Tickbit.ai currently around $0.3 for free without investment, and also we made $0.5 on our $1 investment on AI tech. Okay, AI Dex tech. So you can see I've made extra approximately $1 this week for free without doing much work for free. Okay, so Tickbit AI is currently giving another opportunity where you can make money from your deposits. So if you're interested in that, do well to always join to earn. Go and watch that video in the channel. I've talked about that in this channel. Go and watch the AI bit second withdrawal. The videos I talked about Tickbit AI. That project, go and register if you have not. They are currently giving free money to everyone. Go and claim your portion, go and claim your share now before it's too late, before they will close their giveaway. So guys, bye for now. See you on the next update. As usual, on to the next one. Peace out. Don't forget the registration link. The link to this project will be in the comment section or the description of the video, so you can go to click and register if you want to start this project. So guys, see you on the next one.